Thinking of flipping cars in 2025? You're not alone. Everyone's chasing the side hustle dream. But most people don't have a clue what they're doing. This isn't just about buying a car cheap and selling it high. It's a game of strategy, patience, and not getting mugged by auction fees, dodgy repairs, or your own excitement. So here's how I'd build a seven-figure flipping business from scratch in 2025, starting with zero reputation, zero followers, and just a few grand to my name. First, cash is king. Don't even think about flipping until you've got a few thousand saved. Not borrowed. Not borrowed from your cousin who wants it back in 2 weeks. Actual cash. You need breathing room because things will go wrong. Cars will break. Buyers will flake. If you're living flip to flip, you're already out of the game. Second, pick your lane. Are you going for under $5,000 flips? Cheap daily drivers, basic A to B cars with good bones? Or are you going bigger, like 10K to 15K cars with more room for profit but also more risk? Either way, know your buyers. If you don't know who's going to want the car you're buying blind. Third, auctions. I'm talking Copart, IAAI. Local dealers only auctions if you can get access. These are your bread and butter. But here's where people mess up. They see a car with shiny paint and think they've struck gold. You need to look for mismatched tires, weird panel gaps, and runs and drives listings. That might mean it moved once downhill. Check the fees. Copart will hit you with buyer fees, gate fees, and then storage fees if you blink. Always factor in transport costs, repairs, and reconditioning. Don't assume you'll fix it yourself unless you actually can. And even then, time is money. Fourth, repairs. Fix what matters. Lights, tires, brakes, cosmetics. Don't go full restoration unless the profit justifies it. Buyers don't care if the undercarriage has been polished with unicorn tears. They want a car that looks clean and drives right. Take clear photos. Clean the car properly. Write a description that doesn't sound like a 12-year-old trying to be a car salesman. Be honest, but make it desirable. Starts every time. Cold AC, great for commuting. Not runs good, no low balls, I know what I got. Then scale. Once you've flipped 5 to 10 cars and you're seeing patterns, what sells fast, what doesn't, who your buyers are, you start building a system. Maybe you find a mechanic you trust, a tow guy who gives you a deal, maybe even someone to help with listings and messages. And here's the kicker. Document it. Film the flips. Talk about what went wrong. Show the repairs. People love a story, especially one that smells like grease and profit. Turn your flips into content. That's how you scale not just the business, but the brand. One car at a time, one deal at a time. Keep your margins tight, your eyes open, and don't fall in love with the metal. It's not your dream car. It's a product. Want more? Head over to bidforautos.com. Tools, checklists, calculators, and the crack that'll save you thousands. I'm Paul. Cheers for watching, and good luck flipping smart.